I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.
Share gift cards to invite your friends to Binance minus $150,000 up for grabs. Activity period the 24th of March 2022 8 o'clock 00 am the 6th of April 2022 23 hours 59 minutes and 59 seconds PM UTC.
And for the first time in a long time I'm alright.
Activity rules promotion period the 24th of March 2022 8 a.m. to the 6th of April 2022 11:59 p.m. UTC. Click the register now button on activity page to be qualified for a reward promotion. Refer and send gift cards to share a $60,000 prize pool to be eligible for this promotion. Users have to successfully refer their friends who are not registered on Binance previously by sending them at least one CHRPLA or high gift card. For the purpose of this promotion, referred new users have to register their Binance accounts by redeeming the gift card and complete KYC by the end of the promotion period for the referral task to be successful. The gift card can be in any amount, and eligible participants will stand to receive a share of the respective prize pool in CHRPLA or high token vouchers, which is valued at $20,000 each. The CHRPLA and high token voucher prize pools will be shared based on the total number of unique users referred by each eligible participant through the respective gift cards. Sample rewards calculation. CHR token voucher rewards for an eligible participant equals the number of new users referred by the eligible participant using CHR gift cards total number of new users referred by all eligible participants using CHR gift cards $20,000 in CHR token vouchers. Learn how to create and send a gift card here. Promotion B. Say hi to new friends on Binance to win $50 bonus rewards. All users who register their accounts on Binance during the promotion period and accumulate a total trading volume of at least $1,000 equivalent, including buys and sells across the qualified spot trading pairs, will qualify for this challenge. 300 winners will be selected for based on the award selection rules based on Binance chain hash value to each win $50 in CHRPLA or high token vouchers. Promotion C. Complete the trading task to win a share of the $75,000 prize pool. All users who accumulate a total trading volume of at least $10,000 equivalent, including buys and sells across the qualified spot trading pairs, will be qualified to equally share an exclusive prize pool of $75,000 in CHR, PLA and high token vouchers. For more information, how to create and send a gift card with your referral code. How do I redeem a gift card? Terms and conditions. Only users who click the Register Now button on this page and complete KYC by the end of the activity period shall be eligible for any rewards. Eligible spot trading pairs: CHR USDT, CHR BNB, CHR ETH, CHR BTC, PLA, USDT, PLA, BNB, PLA, BTC, High USDT, High BNB and High BTC. Binance will use the average closing price at 11 hours 59 minutes and 59 seconds PM UTC of the CHR USDT, PLA, USDT and High USDT trading pairs during the promotion period as the exchange rates used for distribution. Token voucher rewards will be distributed within 4 weeks after the promotion ends. The validity period is set at 14 days from the day of distribution. You will be able to log in and redeem your token voucher via Account Reward Center. Promotion 8. Eligible participants who successfully complete the referral task via CHRPLA or high gift cards will receive token voucher rewards that correspond to the gift cards they send. The individual prize pools from Promotion A are not mutually exclusive. For example, an eligible user who successfully completes the referral task multiple times using both CHR and PLA gift cards will receive a share of the two corresponding prize pools in CHR and PLA token vouchers. For referrals to be included in an eligible participant's overall tally, users must register for their Binance accounts by redeeming the eligible participant's CHR, PLA or high gift card, and complete KYC during the promotion period. Users can claim their gift cards on the Binance app or on Binance gift card website. Learn how to redeem a gift card here. If you are redeeming the gift card via the Binance app, please make sure that your app is updated to iOS 2.32.0 or Android 1.43.0 or above. For Promotion C, the token voucher rewards will be distributed as follows: 33.33% CHR, 33.33% PLA, and 33.33% high. Sub-accounts trading volume will be synthesized with a master account's total trading volume in the final calculation. Each sub-account will not be viewed as an independent account when participating in this activity. Binance reserves the right to disqualify trades that are deemed to be wash trades or illegally bulk-registered accounts, self-dealing, or display attributes of market manipulation. Binance reserves the right to cancel or amend any promotion or promotion rules at our sole discretion. Where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English version, the English version shall prevail.